hump. There we go. And now we're going to accelerate. Unbelievable. The G-force, can you believe it? No ways. That was good,
yeah,
man.
So you can go straight up and do it again.
Man, you cannot believe the G-force on this thing. I never expected that. Okay, let's see. Unbelievable. Okay, then you see, there I go round.
No, it's just a circle, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Alright, now I'm getting it. Making a sound. What is that? Okay. I enjoyed that G-force. You wouldn't expect it. But it's very, very comfortable. You actually feel one with the car.
Yeah.
You know, usually like you feel two with the car doesn't feel like it's with you.
Yeah.
This, you actually in total control of the car. Watch it. There we go, over the hump. Just feel the G-force. Watch, you're going to feel that. Okay, here we go. Eh? It's like we're going to fly. That's amazing. No, just car's hold, eh?
Just like a plane.
No, it feels good. Okay. Thanks, man. Okay. Do I go back now?
Yeah, you can go back. Satisfied?
Yeah, I'm sure. Let's see, remind me. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love the G-force. The G-force is amazing.
So now you can imagine with this car, which is the i3,
Yeah.
you get so much G-force.
Mhm.
Now imagine on the
The
i8.
i8. What would you say the G